Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website in HubSpot. First, you'll want to set up your HubSpot account and familiarize yourself with the CMS Hub dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all website elements. Next, select a theme from the HubSpot marketplace. There are over 170 options available, both free and premium. Finally, connect your custom domain to HubSpot, which allows you to build pages as if they are already live, minimizing downtime during launch. Now, let's dive into designing your website pages. HubSpot's user-friendly drag-and-drop editor makes customizing layouts, colors, and fonts incredibly simple. You can easily add your logo and incorporate brand messaging to create engaging pages and sections. Remember, all HubSpot templates are fully responsive, ensuring your website looks great and functions perfectly on desktops, tablets, and smartphones, providing an optimal user experience for everyone. Next, focus on your content and search engine optimization. HubSpot's CMS provides built-in SEO tools, offering tailored recommendations for every page. Ensure your page titles are under 70 characters and meta descriptions are under 156 characters, including relevant keywords. You can also implement smart content and personalization features, like dynamic content blocks, to tailor experiences for different user groups, potentially boosting engagement and conversion rates. Finally, it's time to launch your HubSpot website. Before going live, perform a thorough pre-launch review, checking all internal and external links, forms, and mobile responsiveness. Ensure your dynamic XML sitemap is created and submitted to search engines for better indexing. After launch, continuously monitor your website's performance using HubSpot's comprehensive analytics and reporting tools, tracking metrics like traffic and engagement to make data-driven adjustments and optimize for ongoing success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.